phonologists. So in this video, we will be showing you how to use Derive. Derive does rule derivations. In other words, it takes inputs and applies phonological rules that are provided in the app. And some of these rules are already pre-written, and others can be added by you. So the rules can apply in different orders, and that allows users to uncover how specific rules interact. So let us look at the website. In the first window, so we will click on it. So we'll just wait for it to load. All right, so here's Derive. So here in the first window, you can specify underlying representations. And below, you can see are all of the sample rules, the feature table down below, and an area for customization. So there's quite a lot to look at, and there's quite a lot of things that you can do with this app. So we won't be talking about features, but you can check out our other video about how to featureize.
So let's take a look at an example. Let's say that we wanted to see how final vowel deletion and final devoicing apply to some underlying representations. So we would just go over here and click the plus arrow to add those rules. And we would see that they pop up here. So there's our list of rules. The first one is blank that we can customize ourselves. We'll be talking about that in our next video. And then here we have final vowel deletion and final devoicing. Down here as well in our derivation table, you can see all three of our rules are lined up in this order. We're actually going to get rid of this blank rule because that's not doing anything for us, so we're just going to get rid of it. So let's put in some underlying representations and see how they turn out. So we can put in hat. So then what happens here?
All right, so we can see that the rules apply and the forms have been derived here. So we see this step by step and how each rule has been applied. And segments that are changed are appearing in blue down here, while segments for which the rule has applied vacuously are in green, and the segments that are deleted have been here in maroon. So these colors are also shown above for your reference. So the derivation table is a summary of what is happening, and it contains the underlying representations and the rules and the derivations and the surface forms. So the application of rules is indicated by the colors, and the M dash indicate no application, so as shown here. And if you print the derivation, it will only print out the derivation table and nothing else, which can be quite useful.
Right, so as we know from phonology, rule orders really matter. So what would happen if final devoicing was first? Let's find out. You can scroll up here, and you'll see that there's some arrows over here. So we wanted to put final devoicing first. We would just click this arrow to move it to the top. And if we scroll down in the derivation table, we can see that it's automatically changing something. Before, since vowel deletion was first, none of our surface forms had vowels because they were immediately deleted. But here, since final devoicing is first, we can see that some of our surface forms actually have a voiced, stop at the end. And that's because some of our underlying forms had vowels that were at the end that blocked final devoicing from applying, which means at the end of the day, they came out as voiced and they stayed voiced. So Derive is an awesome tool to use when you want to see how different rules are in order.
So we recommend using Firefox or Chrome for these applications since they have been tested extensively. And remember that once you open the app in your browser, you can use Phono apps without an internet connection, which can be quite useful. And so it's as easy as that. In our next video, we will learn how to write rules from scratch. So thank you guys for watching, and let us know if you liked it or if you have any comments. We would love to hear from you. And thank you.